Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove internal hyperlink in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, I have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I remove internal hyperlink in this document. Now you can see here are a resume hyperlink. Just click this hyperlink to check it is original or fake. Now you can see here are my internal hyperlink. Now I remove this one. Right click on click this resume option. Now you can see here are remove link option. Just press it. Now you can see I remove internal hyperlink in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.